this report. First of all, tell us, why are you suggesting to reduce the workload, and therefore what subjects are you looking at exactly? Because, for instance, the junior secondary schools, or what will become junior school, out of 14 down to 9, how do you reduce that? Which ones? What is essential?
Thank you, Sam, for that question. When we went around, one of the things that everybody complained about was that there was overlaps, there was overloads, that kids were not being kids, that we were running from an 8-4-4 system to try and have a system that was enabling kids to be able to learn and learn in a good environment. We ended up having too many subjects. People ask, why must they do all these subjects? Can we do something about them? Is there something that can be able to be done to make learning much more effective? So having listened to everybody, we came to the suggestion that let us reduce the numbers. But you will see, we did not say get rid of subject X, because we've left that to the curriculum experts, and we had conversations with the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development and agreed on to the numbers. So the actual subjects, they will actually have to go and discuss and say which ones can we get rid of. Because even as we're doing so, you need to ensure that in terms of curriculum coverage, the scope is one that is still internationally matching. So that's why we made the suggestion to reduce the number of subjects. But one of the places where we spoke about reducing is if you had parents were complaining, we're being asked to do a lot of work at home. That you're asking people to do community service learning, but you're telling us, go to the market, go and do this. So that's one of the areas where we said community service learning is important, but the amount and extent of community service learning, the kind of assignments that people are being given, can be reduced so that you still get the objective without burdening the parents, without burdening the children. So that was the rationale for the reduction of subjects.
Daktari Kilemi, ukiangalia jinsi hali ilivyo katika ile shule ya Kitui, ambayo ni hali katika baadhi ya maeneo ambayo yanaonekana kutengwa, na uangalia yale mapendekezo ambayo yanazidi kutolewa kila baada